Hello, Nathan. Heard that you got a scholarship is came through.
Yes, that's right. Got the LDPD scholarship from the Indonesian government.
Wow, that's amazing. What exactly is the LPTP scholarship?
LDPD stand for Lembaga Pengelola Dana Pendidikan. It's a scholarship program from the Indonesian government, and that helps students continue their student to master degree and doctoral degrees to in Indonesian abroad.
Oh, I see. So, where are you going to study?
I'm going to study in the United Kingdom for my master degree.
That's really cool. Is everything fully funded?
Yes, it's fully funded. It's covered function-based living expense, healthy, and insurance, and even like tickets.
Are there only other scholarships to study in the UK?
Yes, there is also the Japanese scholarship is a scholarship from the UK government for international students who wants to study for a master degree, and it's also fully funded.
So both of them are really and good. But how can someone get the scholarship?
First, you need to have good assessment academic background. Second, you have to prepare important documents, the diploma, academic transcript, and CV.
What else is needed?
You also need English comprehension, usually proven by tests like IELTS to level. After that, this by test will be the next training and interviews.
Well, that's all with development. What are the main challenges?
And there are several challenges. First, the competition is very tight because many people apply. Second, you need to not during the interview.
So it's not only about grades.
Exactly, you also need leadership experience, organize involvement, and good communication.
Now whether it's development, good is moves the work is right.
Of course, even though it's a challenge, it's a great opportunity to study in UK and gain international experience.
I feel more motivated now.
That's great. It's just prepare for the now and even give up.
Alright, thank you.
You are welcome.